Hello everyone. Today I am super excited to be here to unbox my Maui Incentive Trip pillow gifts. Those of you who know about what's happening in the world at the moment would be up to speed with those of us who earned the trip for the last 2 years. We haven't been able to go, which is very sad, and we're looking forward to the times when we will be able to return to travelling internationally again. But Stampin Up have very generously actually given us our pillow gifts that we would have received if we were on the trip to Maui. And these were the pillow gifts that are left at the end of every day on our beds, and it's always a nice surprise to come back to your room and find out what the pillow gifts are for the day. So what they did was they put them all into a big box for us, and that's partly why I'm not doing this on my table. I am actually doing it on a chair because it's such a deep box. I wouldn't have been able to see my recording and what was in focus and in camera if I was to do it on my craft table. So I popped the box on a chair and I've made my camera as high as possible so that I can still see what I'm showing you guys. And yeah, so this is my unboxing. I wanted to share with you what we received. Now, one of the first things that was a hint that it wasn't a normal Stampin' Up order was the fact that there was the Stampin' Up logo on the side of the box. We normally don't get boxes with the Stampin' Up logo, so that's kind of cool. Our orders come via Australia Post and they're packed in our warehouse, and we have a contractor that does that. So we don't get the logo on our boxes normally for orders. So that was the first hint at what might be inside this box. So when I first opened it, I will say too that I have already opened these things, okay? So this is not a live unboxing. This is just an unboxing as I would have seen it, but I do know what I'm about to show you. So the first thing that was lying on the top was a super cute cool bag, and I guess this would also keep things warm, but it has the Stampin' Up logo on it and some pretty pineapples. I think there's a new stamp set with pineapples in the annual catalogue from memory. So that was the first thing. Second thing I saw that was layered on the top was a gorgeous Maui Sun Hat. So that was the logo for the trip this year. Pineapple was the logo, and I believe we are actually getting our badges as well. Not sure when they'll arrive, but we would have received a Maui Incentive Trip badge to say that we've earned that. But I've already been wearing my hat. Those of you who saw me on Instagram this morning would have seen me in my hat, pretending I was in Maui working out in the sunshine, as you do. So it's a gorgeous day out there today. So that was the second thing that I saw. The third thing was this gorgeous bag, which first of all, I'll show you the inside. It's lined with like a plastic, so I think it might be waterproof, but on the outside it is it's like woven grass, a bit like the Hawaiian skirts, and the handles are pink. It looks like pink pirouette and possibly polished pink, or maybe polished pink and blushing bride are the two colours they've chosen for the handle. And our new green colour on the inside, possibly. There were some little tags on each of our gifts as well, with some Hawaiian sayings and words on it. So that was a really nice touch, all tied with Stampin' Up ribbon, of course. And I loved this little touch here. We've got some tassels and a little like a token which has the Maui Incentive Trip logo on it, and that's actually feels like it's been embossed on a shell, a Maui shell possibly, and so that's hanging off the side. So that's a nice little memento from the trip. Okay, I'll go through the mementos first, and then I'll go through the Stampin' Up products because I know you guys want to see those. So here's another little tag which tells us what the meaning of this word is. And yeah, it's a Hawaiian greeting Ikomo Mai, which means welcome. And I haven't actually taken this apart yet, so I think it is what I would call a beach towel. So it actually matches some of the new towels that I bought for our new bathroom, so I will be using that in my new bathroom. Very nice, very plush. All right, what else do we have here? Okay, so we've got a thanks for your support. It's actually a container with something inside it. And the first thing I saw was the photovoltaic cells, which I kind of thought, oh, what's that? I wonder. But it is actually a charger for my phone. And it's a portable charger, which will be super handy for when I'm out and about and I can't charge it. Like, for example, when you're bushwalking or, where you can't get access to power. So that would be awesome. The other thing we got that was, I guess, a logo item was this one here in a little beautiful box. And it says made by Mary with love. And inside, absolutely gorgeous, this little gold little disc with the Maui, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little Maui Incentive Trip logo on there and a beautiful chain. So that is also a lovely memento, which I will add to my other mementos from Stampin' Up. Okay, so we also got, oh no, hang on, here we go. Here's another little gift, and I believe this one was from the Spin of the Wheel. So if you know anything about incentive trips, or you might have been on one, you will know that we get to spin the wheel every day. And this is what I would have won, which is chosen randomly for me, a little knife, fork and spoon set with the Stampin' Up logo. So that would be handy to keep in the car for when I need eating utensils. Okay, so we got some new products, and what I wanted to do is open these up for you. And these products are all from the brand new holiday mini catalogue, which comes out in August. Stampin' Up have actually changed slightly our catalogue program. So our Christmas catalogue's coming out just a month later than normal. And we got some products as a result from this new catalogue, which we'll be able to pre-order from next month. So there are some absolutely gorgeous papers here. And I've already fallen in love with this suite because it's kind of got that vintage feel. It's got some lovely stamps and I think it's got an embossing folder, but it's also got some dies that match, that cut out the pine cone shape. Look at this funky paper. This could be used all year round, actually, some of these. So some lovely new papers coming out. And this is a 12 by 12 pack of paper. Look at this one. How cute is that? Love that, the holly berries. Beautiful. And that one's called, let me just tell you, it is called Painted Christmas. So it's got that sort of hand-painted look that we all love, we all know and love. And I got some, what looks to be like Halloween papers. Let me just open them quickly and I'll show you. I'm trying to open these without tearing the paper themselves. There we go, there's a little hole. Just rip that plastic off. So here we go, here's some cute Halloween paper. Oh, look at these. How adorable is that? So we've got some plainer sides on one side and some more, distinct artwork on the other side. So if I flip it over, oh yeah, so this is black and white on one side, very versatile, great for guide cards, and you could colour that with markers, with a brayer, or with one of our blending brushes even. Yeah, super, super fun. That's going to be great to work with. Some of the stamp sets that we got were this one here. This is the Christmas season, which actually goes with that paper I first showed you, the hand-painted Christmas. And I believe there are some dies that go with this as a bundle. And these are called Seasonal Labels dies. Let me just show you really quickly. Got some nice labels and some dies that cut out around the shapes of the stamp set. If you have a look here, you've got some pine cones, some berries, some holly, that's going to be super handy and great for making some gift tags. Even for scrapbooking, I think this one's going to be handy. So looking forward to playing with that one. Oh, there was a nice background stamp called Candy Canes, which will be awesome to use on my Christmas cards. A really nice greeting set, which has a whole lot of different greetings there. Also, I got the pretty pillow box dies. These are, I presume these were all pillow gifts, but some of them could have been wheel spinning gifts. But look at this cute little pillow box die. Very gorgeous, and it'll be nice to be able to put little trinkets and things in there. For my hostesses, I'm hoping to make some host gifts and wrap them up in this and show people how to use it. So I always like some gift wrapping options when I'm choosing dies from a new catalogue. And there is also a Merry Melody embossing folder, which is music notes, presumably Christmas carols, which will be a nice background for just a vintage card, or even a Christmas vintage card. But I can see myself using this one a lot throughout the year, so it's not specific to Christmas. There is some nice pool party striped grosgrain ribbon, which is absolutely gorgeous. I believe that's from the Painted Christmas Suite. And we got some sunscreen. There you go. So that'll come in handy in Australia. Even in winter, we're supposed to wear sunscreen, right? Now, last but not least, at the very bottom of my box here, there is a cute little set of designer series papers, and it goes with a new pet suite, which I can't remember what it's called now, and I can't show you the inside of the catalogue, but I'll look it up later. But these are so adorable. And even if you're not getting the stamp set or the dies to go with this suite, you could cut out a lot of these little critters and pop them on a card, or use them in a scrapbook page, especially if you're scrapbooking your pets. I love the other side. It's got that sort of whimsical stitched look on that side. Some cute little stockings and some stars on the other side. So not even specific for Christmas. You know, you could do a birthday card with those. And there's some cute little critters. There's even a fish bowl, which, yeah, I'm sure those of us who have pets and love animals will have a lot of fun using these. And then there's some Christmas lights as well. So that one's called Sweet Stockings, and I think it comes from a bundle or a suite which has Christmas stockings and dies and a stamp set to match. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I'm gonna start to play with these things in the next month or so. But it was great to be able to show you what I got, and I'm looking forward to being able to show you some more things from the new holiday catalogue as in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for watching.